What is up, guys? I am so sorry that we've been missing in action, but I am back at home. I'm done with everything. I'm finally editing, and I am not going to stop. I am literally editing every single day. This video is dropping Saturday. I'm going to try to push one out Sunday if I can. If it won't come out Sunday, it'll come out Monday. Then we definitely got Wednesday back on schedule, and then Sunday. And we're going to go back to our normal schedule. Thank you guys so much for continued support. Let's get back to UTV Takeover, and then we're jumping into Glamis. Love you guys.
How's she feeling, man?
Perfect. 8,300 RPMs.
Oh, man.
Like perfect.
And that's 3 all the way down.
Huh?
That's 3 everywhere. Note to self, you gotta put 3 weights in every single part of my arm because I got too much RPM and I can't keep it floor, but Colt put 3 of them in there. By the way, welcome back. This is Off-Road Diaries. I'm Jonathan. That's Colt from Whiskey Throttle. They have an awesome YouTube channel. If you haven't ever seen it, go give them a like, share, follow, subscribe. We're gonna have a good day, guys. This is just the beginning of Takeover. Today's day 1, right?
I can't hear you, but yeah.
Day 1.
Day 1.
Day 1. All right, guys, we'll be back in a second. So apparently Marissa and Livy were drag racing. Tell them what you did.
I jumped a lot.
You jumped.
And then they went to pull off Marissa's wristband and I said no, it was I lost. I jumped.
You got integrity.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's what it's all about. Marissa said she felt bad, but I was like, no, Livy needs to learn that that's just how.
I knew I had jumped.
Yeah, and that's part of owning up is positive message of the day. If you did something wrong, just admit it.
Yeah.
Right?
Heck yeah.
It keeps your karma good, keeps your integrity good. It's just overall good. Amber, you're alive?
Yeah.
Say hi to the camera. Say
Hi, camera.
Say hi to the camera.
Good morning.
Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so being the official day 1 of Takeover in good fashion, we must go roam the vendor row for a second. Go say hi to Mia and Dave. They also had an excursion problem.
Yep. I saw they had a blowout or 2.
Yeah. Let me tell you about what Colt's been going through, guys. So when we left the races, Colt couldn't get his bus to start. Found out it was just a window, but he spent all weekend doing that. Then he had to go back and fix his car that he wrecked. And then after that, they were coming down here and his bus blew up, or sort of blew up. Then he had to go back. And then after that,
Hey guys, what's up?
yeah. And then after that, he was driving down here with his truck and a trailer, and then his trailer tire blew up. So guys, give Colt some love.
He won't be here.
The YXC's not be here, but he's still got a beast that he's gonna race with, and that car is stupid fast. If you don't know, the turbo that's on my car now was on his car. Now he's got a package supercharger, but that thing is crazy. Made it to the Whiskey Throttle booth. Got the homies all set up here. They've been coming out with a lot of new designs, guys. If y'all ever see me wearing a shirt you like or whatever, they do have a website. It's whiskeythrottlesd.com. It's in the bottom of our description. Look, she's even got a Whiskey Throttle shirt on already. Look at that. But we got all kinds of cool stuff here for you guys. Go to whiskeythrottlesd.com if you're not at the show. And you can buy some cool stuff. They've even got cool kids clothes. Look at that. It says kids. Tons of awesome hats. So, if you are here at Takeover, I hope you bought something from them. And if you're not, go buy something from them.
Hi guys, it's me and baby Miles here. I'm trying to keep his little face out of the sun. Miles is about to watch his pop-up race. There's Jonathan right there, getting ready for some barrel racing. We got a Maverick R up right now over there, whipping around. We've been watching our friends, catching up with folks, watching the kids play. So I'm pretty excited to watch Jonathan do some barrel racing. A Maverick R. Oh gosh. The sand is hot on my toes. ridiculously loud.
30.1.
So loud.
All right, I was hearing it last night with you behind him. We're riding the night ride.
Oh my! He tried to tell me it was more quiet. I was like, "You're such a liar."
He said he don't hear it. He don't hear it for the screaming.
Oh, he's wrong. He's wrong.
You hear it from behind. I was behind him last night.
It's awful. It makes my ears hurt.
The baby one.
Look at that! Will's got the baby Offroad Diaries, the stork shirt on. I love that blue color.
Yeah.
It's my favorite.
Those are all black or brown. I want some good colors.
I know, I like it.
Yeah.
Thank you. You can go to offroaddiaries.com and get yourself one. But let's go find Jonathan. We got Sherb over there. Baby Miles and I putted over here in Sherb. Oh, he's passed back out now. He went to Seats. Look at him all go. There's little chitlins everywhere. Okay, that's fine. Oh, there's Jonathan. Oh my gosh. Hi. What you doing?
It's hard because you're trying not to hit him. You don't want to roll. I should have put paddles on.
I don't know what you're talking about, babe. This thing is ridiculously loud.
Is it?
It screeches like a pterodactyl. It's like. Richard Hale just went and he knocked it out of the park. That was wild. So now Keaton's going in his little RS1. It's Preston. Hello. How you doing?
Good, you?
Good. There goes Keaton Hale. Come on, buddy. Rowdy Hammers. YXZ over here. Let's go over here. Good job, Bob. We had a little oopsie, guys. Looks like the driver's okay. He's a little crooked in there. I feel like his head is hitting the roof.
It does look like it, huh?
Yeah. Oh,
Come on.
nicely. Yeah, dude, his head was definitely like.
He doesn't have doors either.
Is his arm out?
Yeah, he doesn't have doors at all. He like went Jeep mode.
Yeah.
That's alright. On the Jeep.
I mean, seriously. Oh, he's gonna keep going. Finish it off. Maybe wait for them to clear.
Alright. Get off the track.
Jeez Louise.
We're like,
1, 2, 3. Continue to move.
Wow. That was one way to do it.
what was that?
We got Pete. Instead of working the booth, Pete is actually racing.
Oh my God, holy shit, oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. What is going on? So right now Clint is in first place. That man right there, the man, the myth, the legend, he's in first place to represent the Whiskey Throttle family. We have nobody left, so I think you might have won.
Oh, baby.
Did you win?
I think so.
Did he win?
Yeah.
Huh? Clint won.
Hell yeah, Clint!
Every single trophy for the race is going to be Whiskey Throttle. I promise you that.
Dude.
Smoky, so I thought it was dust, and then I saw a red light down there, and I was like, oh.
Is it the turbo?
Yeah, it's on boom booms.
Oh no, guys, we're back here
I'm
live.
pretty sure it is.
Patrick, I'm sorry, buddy. I love you, man. I'm just happy you're okay. When you fell on the ground, I actually thought you had a heart attack or something. It scared me. Oh, so did the seal blow on the turbo? Or have you even looked yet?
And this is the second turbo because we put the turbo off
Well,
the old
it's
blue
my
car.
old blue car's turbo.
So it had
because
turbo
I did the
already.
big turbo from AA.
But we're worried that it melted the boots.
Matt did say he had a big turbo from AA, but then you're gonna have to tune your car.
So that's fun fact, guys. My car burned to the ground from a turbo seal blowing out.
That's probably exactly what it was, dude, because it spit everything out and it just lit off.
If it melted those boots, how do we get boots?
I don't think
Who
it
the heck
did.
is gonna have those?
I don't think it melted them, did it?
No, I don't think it did, dude. They look all right. It
You do
wasn't.
need to-
It wasn't on fire for that long.
the extinguisher stuff melting.
Katie.
You may need to pull the boots just to get the oil out of it, just so it doesn't catch on fire.
Thank God I brought my blower.
Oh,
Shit out.
Yeah,
well,
you
that's
better
not
do that
bad.
now before I start.
No, I was probably overly dramatic out there, but I was just like,
I thought you were hurt. I was worried
I was
about
just
you.
like, I had a little freak out moment.
Dude,
for a
that's
second.
f***ing scary though.
Oh,
you know? Like,
dude.
It's like all the work we put into these things, and then you get
Look
here.
at that, bro. Your butt's on fire.
I didn't. Nothing
about
felt
Taco
hot.
Bell.
I mean, nothing felt hot.
That's
no.
how it was on my car. I just happened to start smelling smoke. I was out in
I didn't
St.
even smell
Anthony's and it just
smoke.
burnt to the
I
ground
noticed
on me.
it going into limp mode because I came into that third barrel perfect.
Yeah.
And it was like,
Gotta get
whoa.
You did good.
Katie
I
said
was-
you should stop doing barrel racing because your car always breaks.
In Oregon's when I yarded the transmission out of the exit in barrel racing.
Note to
Let's say your
myself, I'm
blow-off
telling
filter
Patrick,
needs to
no
be
more barrel
replaced.
racing, guys. Good news is he's okay. We're here with Matt Barker with MB Whips, one of our awesome sponsors that takes good care of us. He's an awesome guy. Y'all know him. You see him on our videos. He did a sneak attack on us. He went and got a Segway and put all kinds of speakers in it out of nowhere. This thing is sick. Dude, that's loud. Oh my God.
Let them break in a little bit first, but we'll see how it turns out.
They're still freshies.
Yeah, we've got about 2 hours on them now today, so
Yeah.
we'll see how it goes.
Expecting that the whole
I was not expecting that
windows were
either.
vibrating. You could see them plunging.
Oh yeah, well, and that's the thing. So we went and built this whole enclosure from scratch at RSK, and Hi-Fi Shop in Riverdale did all the audio, and then we've got a couple other sponsors that help with suspension, wheels, and tires and things. And we're still filling in all the rattles. They're everywhere.
Oh my
with that much power, it's almost blowing the windows out. So we're working on it.
I wish it wasn't copyright music, guys, but you couldn't hear the bass anyways, but like, trust me, my ears could still feel it. That's amazing. Look at all these happy people. We got the whole Takeover team doing work. Got all of our friends over there. I don't know what they're doing. What are y'all doing over here?
Hey, pal, how are ya?
Yeah.
He's always sleeping.
Yeah. That's what he does, man. Living his best life.
Yeah, he's always sleeping.
I want to see someone just carried around.
Yeah. He's pretty chill, dude. He just hangs out in there, man. We were on a mission to buy an ice cream. Somebody had ice cream, and I said, we need ice cream. Baby Miles needs ice cream. It's our Whiskey Throttle booth again. Make sure to buy not one, but two of them. Hi. You did a great job, even after you rolled over. You still did good. All right, guys. Getting to the end of the cornhole stuff. I've nicknamed Mike Evergreen Mike, so he's Evergreen Mike now. How you feeling about this? Are you
Pretty
excited?
good, man. Pretty good.
I heard,
See if we can take it home.
I heard you beat your children.
I beat my kids.
Oh God! Not like that. They just beat their kids out of the competition. So this is it. We got a couple teams left. Looks like we're trying to make our camp circle bring home all the trophies. So if Marissa and Mike win, then our circle will get this trophy too.
I will slap a baby for an LPG burrito.
You know that if you win this, our circle, our camp circle, we're gonna win all the trophies. That's what the goal is. Camp with the people that win the trophies.
That's where you want to be.
Yeah. It's Maple Mike, everybody. It's Chase. It's Jess. It's Izzy. What are you doing? It's Baby Miles. Oh yeah. We got everybody here. So they're gonna let them wrap this up, guys. we'll be back for the final competition. Hopefully Marissa and Mike are in it, because they're all the representation we have left for this game.